Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Gemini, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So Gemini, as always, let's take an angel blessing card for you and to top the reading. And these are readings for a general mini checkup just to see, check your energies for the weekend of the 30th of October. Okay, let's see what my angels are going to bless you for this weekend. So, my angels, can I have a blessing or an advice card for my Gemini, please? Blessing or an advice? Blessing or an advice for my Gemini? Higher education. So, this normally the Gemini means a card of kind of going within and tapping into your spiritual knowledge. But yes, some of you could be tapping into new courses online or studying or something as well and going in for higher education. It could mean exactly that. But for others, it could be tapping into, getting more in tune with your spiritual self and learning more and more maybe about soulmate connections or tapping into your own spirituality here. So let's see why this card is here for you. Gemini, let's open your cards and see if it resonates with the rest of your reading. So welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for all your blessings, and your being here itself is a blessing to me. Thank you. I'm very grateful for your presence. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. Also, if you guys need a private reading, my schedule for November is open. You can reach me at my email in the description box below. Of course, this is just a mini read. Oh, Queen of Cups. So either you're feeling very loved up, Gemini, or maybe there's somebody here who sees you as a loving and beautiful and kind, intuitive person, very in touch with their spirituality. So let's see. Seven of Wands, Hanged Man, and the Seven of Swords in reverse. Star, Empress, and the King of Pentacles. Yes, I think somebody's been very defensive in this relationship in the past, Gemini, not letting the other person in, and that kind of led to a chapter or a cycle ending in their life because maybe they were being a bit defensive, not allowing somebody's love to enter their life. Maybe they had many options, maybe there was a lot of gossip, maybe they were listening to a lot of people around, and whatever they did, I think they just kind of didn't allow somebody to enter, right, in their heart space or their soul space, and that kind of led to ending of a chapter which could have been, but this was a very unjust kind of an ending. Then I think somebody is realizing that and now wanting to come out of the stuck position they find themselves in. Maybe at that point, yes, they are now seeing the value maybe in the other person. They're seeing this person as, or maybe there could have been another person in the mix because the Queen of Wands is the other woman and there is a Queen of Cups here as well. So maybe that's the reason there was a little bit of a delay in allowing true love to come in, and maybe this person then ended up looking like a player, right? And it didn't balance out a partnership. So the Hangman in reverse, spirit, Hangman in reverse. Yes, now there is no passion to be had. They've kind of lost the love of their life, it seems, and whatever they did maybe to this person, it kind of backfired on them. Things have kind of slowed down, halted, finished, over, because there was no balance in this equation. Nobody kind of committed to the connection. Maybe there was more than one person to commit to, and one person was kind of warding themselves off, not trying to make a decision, and this ended up being a little imbalanced. But whatever has happened here has actually backfired on the person who is now showing up and coming across as just a player. Yeah, somebody has turned their back on this relationship completely. no longer giving to this connection. Maybe at one point somebody was trying, but the other person was not allowing them in. And yes, it could have been a third party situation too. I have the three of pentacles here, so maybe three people were involved, and one person has now removed their energy. And now, even though somebody wants to come out of this stagnancy of this chapter closing down, they are feeling stuck and feeling that this entire situation just backfired, because now they feel that none of their wishes came true. Why? Because the Empress is now in reverse. Yes, they know why the tower fell. Okay, this person who came across as a player has now realized why the tower fell, and they also know that maybe somewhere they were at fault themselves for this Empress now to have, yes, they were holding back, right? They were not giving of themselves, like I said right in the beginning. They were holding themselves back, they were not giving to the connection, and they are now realizing that because of their own behavior, this relationship has now kind of crumbled and fallen, because it was never built on stable ground. When you have more than two people, three or four, five, whatever amount of people, there is no foundation. You need one and one to make a two. You can't have two and one to make a home, right? Not normally. So now this Empress is in reverse. Okay, so there is no more fertility to be had. This Empress has pulled back her love, no longer giving to the masculine anymore. After there was so much of maybe competition in this connection, there were more people involved, or maybe there was a fight that happened because there were too many people, and because of that, this Empress did not stand for nonsense, and she kind of pulled her love away. This Empress has now moved on to a calmer place for herself, it seems. She is no longer fighting for the connection. She is not wanting to be in any trouble times, or in a connection which is turbulent and has more people or competition, and is no longer now sending or interested in going forward in a loving relationship with this person who is now seen as a player who didn't want to commit and wanted to kind of fool around with more people, it seems. So who's this King of Pentacles here, that spirit? I think the King of Pentacles is the same masculine now wanting to come out and start something new, wanting to show themselves in a more stable light, but there is a lot of secrets and confusion still in their life. There's no clarity here as to, yes, they're not unhappy either. They're not happy either. They know that things are really now muddled up. The waters are murky now because of all the secrets that have been kept in this dynamic, and they are very confused as to what to do now, because now they find themselves unhappy because of the Queen of Cups, I think, has moved away. They would like to make a decision, not be dealing with two maybe, and make one decision, come back to a place of security and stability, but they feel somewhere that things have really ended, right? They would wish that things would move again, and Wheel of Fortune would once again start moving to bring things into, a movement with this Queen of Cups, who is now the Empress in reverse. So let's see. This was the background story, Gemini. Let's see what's going to happen on the weekend. Eight of Wands in reverse, Three of Wands, and the Lovers. So yes, there's been a lack of communication regarding this relationship till now, Gemini, it seems, because I think both of you have now started being a bit defensive with each other, not opening up your heart, not speaking the way, two people should in a relationship. Both of you being very guarded. So even though I think heart of hearts, you both know that, there is a lot of love here. This is a soulmate connection. There is a lot of love to be had. Both feel the pull, but both being very, very guarded, and communication is almost nil, if none, if not none. Like it's very restricted conversations, both holding back from a beautiful soulmate connection. Both, I think, are in waiting mode. Maybe there's distance between the two of you. Both are waiting for maybe the other person to open up, but things still seem very stuck right now. Both are maybe turning their back on the other, or maybe there is, like I said, distance or waiting that one day things will be fine again. So both kind of just being stuck and not opening up to the other person. Three of Wands, Spirit. Why is this Three of Wands here? Yes, like I said, there could be trouble, there could be some problem in traveling to the other person. So there is no face-to-face communication now. So whatever conversation there is going on here is very guarded. Nobody is knowing where the other person stands, feeling the pull of the soulmate connection, but not knowing clearly what's in each other's heart. So both are in waiting mode at the moment, but a decision is getting made. What's this Lovers in reverse, Spirit? What's this decision? I think somebody is becoming more and more clear about this unequal dynamic which has played out in this relationship. So I think the feminine energy is very, very upset and angry because of this third party situation, and the fights that have happened in this relationship because of that, and has made a decision to no longer kind of give to this connection. Things are very, very stagnant and halted, Gemini, at the moment. This weekend also, I don't see any kind of forward movement because this feminine is no longer now. Earlier maybe it was the feminine who kept giving to the connection, right? But now since she's pulled back her power and is in angry and upset mode because of all this conflict which has happened in this relationship, things have totally halted. And Gemini, this is your card, right? The Lover's card, but it seems it's in reverse at the moment. So a passionate, beautiful connection which could have been divinely guided is now, I think, kind of in troubled waters here. So this weekend also, Gemini, I think a lot of waiting, lot of contemplation, but not being able to reach the other person. Maybe this was a lesson that you had to learn, Gemini. This is you who had the third party, or maybe this is your cross watcher. This was a spiritual lesson, maybe for this feminine to, respect herself and learn self-love. And this is also a lesson for the masculine, for not taking a beautiful love connection for granted. So that's all I have for you, Gemini. Have a good weekend. Think about it, and we'll see next week how this person really feels about you when we do their energy as well. Till then, love and light. And if you need a private reading, you can reach me. Love and light. Namaste.